Why eMedica should be part of every hospital and every bed. A scientific perspective for bioelectric healing, cellular health central to healing. Every disease, whether acute or chronic, affects cells. Healing begins with restoring the physiological and electrical integrity of these cells. Scientific basis. All cells in the human body operate using an electrical membrane potential, typically negative 70 millivolts for healthy cells. When sick, this charge drops, impairing nutrient transport, waste removal, ATP production, and immune response. eMedica uses VCF therapy, voltage plus current plus frequencies, to restore the natural cellular voltage, recharge the cell membranes, and jumpstart stalled recovery processes. eMedica infuses electrons to restore charge. Oxidative stress and inflammation lead to positive charge accumulation in tissues, damaging DNA, proteins, and cellular machinery. Electrons act as natural antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals. eMedica delivers microcurrents rich in electrons that neutralize excess positive ions, reducing oxidative damage. eMedica enhances drug absorption and effectiveness. Many medications fail to act effectively due to poor intracellular absorption or resistance in fat-coated cells. eMedica's microcurrents and frequencies break down lipid layers around disease cells, improve cell permeability and drug uptake at the tissue level. This directly reduces the drug dosage requirement and increases the effectiveness of antibiotics, chemotherapy, insulin, etc. Organ-specific frequencies promote healing. Each organ has its own bioelectrical resonance frequency. When this is disrupted, organ dysfunction occurs. eMedica emits targeted therapeutic frequencies tailored to each organ: heart, liver, lungs, brain, kidneys, etc. These frequencies resonate with the organ's natural vibration, restoring cellular harmony and function. This is non-invasive frequency medicine, aid in faster recovery from conditions like liver damage, kidney failure, stroke, or cardiac issues. Nervous system modulation and pain relief. Pain, insomnia, inflammation, and stress are mediated by the nervous system, particularly through CNS and autonomic nerves. eMedica helps regulate the sympathetic-parasympathetic balance, reducing inflammation and improving rest. Microcurrents stimulate endogenous opioid release, like endorphins, acting as a natural painkiller. Improves oxygenation and blood flow. Microcurrents stimulate angiogenesis, new capillary growth, and improve microcirculation. Better circulation equals better oxygen delivery, nutrient transport, and waste elimination. Ideal for diabetic wounds, bed sores, burns, gangrene, and post-surgical recovery. Supports detoxification, heavy metals, microplastics, etc. Cells today are overloaded with toxins from the environment, water, food, and medicine. eMedica frequencies stimulate lymphatic drainage, liver detox pathways, and kidney filtration. It charges mitochondria, aiding in natural ATP-powered detoxification processes, especially important for ICU beds, cancer patients, and critical care. Proven benefits in multi-specialty conditions. Published papers support eMedica use for condition and scientific mechanism status. For hypertension, vascular relaxation, autonomic reset, diabetes, improved insulin receptor activity, varicose veins, enhanced venous tone and flow, Parkinson's, underfrequency entrainment, kidney failure, nephron stimulation, detox aid, cancer electron therapy, plus immune modulation. All conditions above are supported by medical publications, documented clinical observations, and a real-world database of over 20,000 treated patients. Certifications and regulatory approvals. eMedica is compliant with international standards, ensuring hospital-grade safety and effectiveness. FDA-registered, CDSCO, India certified. CE mark, Europe. ISO 13485, medical device quality. NABL accredited, lab tested, backed by clinical trials, published in peer-reviewed medical journals, supported by scientific white papers and observational data sets covering 20,000 plus patients. Why every hospital bed needs it. Hospitals manage acute and chronic patients with overlapping symptoms like pain, inflammation, fatigue, and poor healing. eMedica offers non-drug, side-effect-free support to accelerate recovery, improve patient outcomes, and shorten hospital stays. It's portable, non-invasive, and cost-effective, making it suitable for every bed, from ICU to post-op to general wards. A hospital without eMedica is missing a fundamental pillar of bioelectric healing, a domain rapidly advancing worldwide economic and strategic benefits, reduces readmissions, lowers drug burden, faster bed turnovers, enhances hospital reputation with new-age technology. Every hospital, every bed, one solution. eMedica, because every cell deserves to heal.